Morning talk. Aman. Good morning, Rahul. How are you today? Rahul. Good morning. I am fine, but a little tired. I slept late last night. Aman. Why? Watching mobile again? Rahul. Laughing. Yes, you are right. I was watching videos and scrolling social media. Aman. This is our daily problem. We waste time and then feel stressed. Rahul. True. From today, I will try to sleep early. Aman. How is your job going? Rahul, work is okay, but sometimes I feel pressure. Deadlines, boss, targets, everything together. Aman, same here. But pressure teaches us responsibility. Without pressure, we don't grow. Rahul, yes, that is true. Life is not easy, but we must stay strong. Aman, are you doing exercise daily? Rahul, not daily, but I try to walk 20 minutes. Aman, good. Health is very important. If health is good, everything feels easy. Rahul, you are right. From today, I will focus on sleep, health, and time. Aman, what is your biggest dream? Rahul, I want to make my family proud. I want financial freedom and peace in life. Aman, that's a great goal. Small daily steps will take you there. Rahul, yes. Today I learned one thing. Daily habits decide our future.
Ending message. Narrator. Life is simple. Wake up early. Work honestly. Take care of your health. Spend time with family. And never stop learning. Small daily talks can give big life lessons.